Well, this is the Country Time USA edition with Mr. DJ. How you doing tonight? It's Saturday night, going into Sunday morning here in Tuscaloosa, and I want to bust out a brand new country joint, country song by Craig Campbell from Georgia. In 2002, Craig Campbell made the trip to Nashville, Tennessee, and he immersed himself in the music scene like you wouldn't believe at the suggestion of Luke Bryan, who is also from Georgia. He suggested that Craig Campbell, hey, why don't you write your own songs? And he took up songwriting, and he also did demo sessions with other singers. Craig Campbell landed a major gig. This was a big break. He landed a gig at a club called The Stage, which was a big nightclub, a big to-do in Nashville. He also toured a bit with Tracy Byrd. Around 2009, 2008, 2009, somewhere in the late 2000s, a guy named Keith Stegall caught Craig Campbell doing a show at The Stage. He was impressed enough to help him get a deal with a record company called Bigger Picture. First album was Craig Campbell. It was a debut album, self-titled in 2010, yielded a country hit called Family Man, went to number 14. And now he's got his latest album, rather. I almost said it's his new album. Well, I guess it is new. It's his latest album. It's called Never Regret. Got this new song out that's really caught my attention. It's called Keep Them Kisses Coming, right on the smackaroo. Yes! They don't do them like the country artists do them, my friend. Here it is. This is Craig Campbell with Keep Them Kisses Coming, brought to you by Mr. DJ.